Hello and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Tuesday, December 14th. Young adults on social media put a dog in the driver's seat of a Tesla Model X on autopilot, putting everyone on the road in danger in an attempt to go viral. Full self-driving and autopilot have drawn criticisms for being magnets of risky social media attempts. Last year, a kid crawled in the back seat pretending to be asleep. Another fellow repeatedly sat in the back of the car, tapping the wheel to trick the system. In this case, it could be considered animal abuse on top of a serious traffic violation. And in a almost related story, Elon Musk announced that he will start to accept Dogecoin, a meme cryptocurrency, to buy some merchandise on its website. Earlier this year, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and shortly thereafter they started accepting cryptocurrency as payment for new vehicles. Since then, they retracted the acceptance, citing environmental issues over production. And now, Elon Musk announced on Twitter today that Tesla will accept Doge for some merchandise on its store. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency that was started as a joke to make fun of cryptocurrency space. But now the joke has serious legs, since it has a market capitalization of $25 billion. The Fremont Police Department announced that a homicide investigation is occurring from a death that took place at Tesla's Fremont factory yesterday the 13th. Details are scarce at the moment, as all the information is coming from short statements from the police, saying that the fire department responded to a subject in the parking lot of the factory and pronounced the subject deceased. An update with more information is going to be released later today. Tesla employs about 10,000 people at the factory, and right now is the end of quarter push when output is critical and workers are encouraged to perform. Toyota teased an upcoming electric pickup truck with an early concept vehicle. It was shown at an event for their battery electric vehicle strategy. At the event, they talked a lot about how Toyota is in fact a leader in the EV space because it made the Prius 20 years ago. However, Toyota has yet to launch a global all-electric vehicle in its lineup, the first one, the bZ4X, coming next year. But anyways, there may yet be hope. In the event, Toyota announced, quote, "We plan to roll out 30 battery EV models by 2030 globally, offering a full lineup of battery EVs in the passenger and commercial segments." With the announcement, they unveiled a lineup of 15 concept vehicles. There's no guarantee of those vehicles launching in North America, since Toyota has been known to focus their electric vehicle efforts where they are forced by regulation. However, one of the concepts is a pickup truck, a very popular vehicle in the USA. It might take some effort, but hopefully Toyota will truly become a leader in the EV space. Mobility software developer Apex AI has announced a hefty sum of Series B funding to the tune of $56.5 million. This brings the total funding to $74 million raised up to now. Apex AI is a software company that provides certified developer-friendly products and mobility systems. It targets their development kit towards OEMs that are looking to implement complex AI software throughout a given vehicle. CEO Jan Becker describes the technology potential, saying, quote, "Disruptions in mobility, such as self-driving connected vehicles, e-mobility, and shared mobility, all rely on software but lack a unified platform which prevents integrated development across the vehicle. We introduce Apex OS as the first mobility software platform that can integrate across all in-vehicle domains and extend into the cloud to solve this challenge." EV manufacturer Proterra has announced a new battery factory coming to Greer, South Carolina. Proterra is an electric vehicle and technology developer focusing on the commercial segment. In December of 2020, Proterra opened a second factory in the same location of their EV bus facility in Los Angeles County. Just 12 miles to the northeast of its Greenville factory, the Greer Battery Factory will soon produce battery systems for the Proterra-powered commercial EVs, such as delivery trucks, industrial equipment, and buses. And now for some news from the Middle Kingdom. Chinese EV automaker NIO announced that it will reveal a new model later this week during NIO Day 2021, an event in Shanghai. The annual event is normally when NIO introduces new models, and a teaser image from the company appears to give the ET5, an electric sedan edging towards more affordability, a little bit of light. NIO already has the ET7, a luxury sedan slated for import to Norway. The ET8 SUV is likely expanding to Europe as well. And now, the rumored affordable ET5 is the next step. Manufacturing juggernaut Magna International has shared details of its eTelligent Reach EV powertrain, set to debut on a new vehicle in 2022. Magna International is a mobility manufacturer specializing in automotive components and works with a myriad of impressive major auto names: BMW, Volkswagen, Ferrari, Honda, Hyundai, Toyota, and that's just a few. The new eTelligent Drive products are a modular approach to electric drivetrains. The connected all-electric systems are comprised of dual electric motors, inverters, gearboxes, and software. The full unveiling is taking place at CES, coming this January. Today's community comment comes from Dharma Rascals, who says, quote, "Mikey, please go to a better camera. You're better than 1080p. Well, thanks for the comment. I'm actually using a 10-year-old camera that I started my career with, since I can just leave it here in the studio and not worry about setting up the focus or damaging the body or anything like that. It's actually getting a little long in the tooth. It's normally not so bad in regular light, but it suffers when I put it behind the teleprompter glass. Honestly, image detail isn't one of the most highlighted things about news shows, but let me show you what it looks like without the glass. Hopefully this looks a little bit better. I could try to use something really cool, such as my cameras that I use for bike videos. Let's try that. Things might look a little bit different because it's on an action camera instead of my regular camera. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.